So I have been slowly replacing some of the light fixtures throughout my house, and now I only have a few left. My house was built in the 90s, so that was kind of before LEDs were really a thing, and they also needed updating, obviously, because that was over 20 years ago. So I found these. They're called I Can't Believe It's Not Recessed, because I did not have any recessed lighting in my house, which you know most people have now, like in their kitchens, hallways, places like that. And I am replacing these from what I had some of these like little globe lights in my hallways and in the bathroom. So that was the base, and then it had the globe on it. And I found these, so they're rated, they can be damp, so I put 2 in my bathroom. They're dimmable because I did have dimmers in my bathroom, but I'm also putting these in my hallways, and those aren't dimmable, so it doesn't have to be dimmable, but that is an option. And to kind of show you how small they are, hold on. So they're very thin. I mean, this is basically, you can tell how thin it is. So it gives you the appearance of a recessed light, but it installs right into your just regular junction box, which is what these attach to. So I'll show you what I mean. I've already replaced a couple of these, but this was the old fixture, and so that's one of the other old ones that I'm gonna replace in a hallway. So you can kind of see from a distance, it's just a globe light. When you turn it on, it's not LED, so you can kind of see how it gives off like a yellowy hue to it, which I don't like. I've kind of slowly been replaced. See how, this is my office, is kind of messy, but see how white that light is, and then see kind of how yellow this is. I don't like that. It's hard for me to see at night, so I've been slowly replacing all of my lights with LED. So that's what it looked like, and then I'll show you, I've already replaced one of them in a hallway, and I'll show you what it would look like after. This is another hallway, and as you can tell, I've already replaced it, so this is what it will look like. So it gives the appearance of, or I don't know why it's so grainy, a recessed light, but it's not. It's kind of bright, but you can kind of see how white this color is versus how yellow the other hallway was. But so that's what I'm talking about. Just to show you again, so like I said, it's super thin compared to what I had, and 2 screws, 3 wires, and it's done. So as long as you have a standard box, electrical box, it's not gonna take you that long to do it. To give you another example, I've already replaced 2 fixtures in this bathroom with LED fixtures and bulbs, and so this is the one I'm about to replace. And as you can see, once I turn it on, look at the difference between the bathroom and the hallway. So when I get this one replaced, it will soon match the bathroom and my office. Same thing in my closet. I'm about to replace this, you can't really see it, globe light in here, and you can see sort of how yellow it is, and it does not produce a lot of light, especially at night, and it's kind of hard for me to see in my closet. So I will also show you the after of this room. Okay, and here's the after on my closet. You can tell it's so much brighter, it's whiter, it's not quite so yellowy, and when I turn that off, now you can see what it looks like. It's just simple, clean, and I do like that a lot better than my 90s globe brass fixture that was in there. So to take this old fixture down, I've already unscrewed the globe, which there was just 3 screws around the perimeter of it, and so I've unscrewed that. And now to take this portion down from the ceiling, I'm going to unscrew this bulb, and then I'm going to unscrew that little centerpiece. Now that I've got the light fixture unattached from the ceiling, you can kind of see a ring that was left around it, so I'm going to grab my magic eraser and go around the edges to clean that off. And then you can see I have a black cord, a white cord, and then up here the copper. That's my ground wire, which is going to attach to the green wire on my new fixture. And then I also need to take out this middle piece going across here so the new fixture can just fit right in there. I guess I should have showed this part, but I simply just took off the wire nuts and unattached those two wires, and now I'm going to unscrew those two screws to take out this middle part. Okay, everything is taken out and ready for the new fixture, and as always, you do your black to black, white to white, and your green or copper to each other. So I'm going to try to prop the camera up to show, but otherwise you just put the wires together and then screw the wire nut on them securely so that they do not come apart. As you can see, I've already attached the ground wire and the white wire. So to show you kind of what I did is basically just put them up together, maybe wrap them, and then attach them with the wire nut. Screw the wire nut onto the two wires. Okay, next, after you have pushed your wires back into your box, you're going to push your new fixture up onto the box, and a screw is going to go there and a screw here. So you screw those in, and then you're going to pop these little guys on to cover those up, and then we'll put the cover on and we're done. Final step. Okay, so that is the after, and you can tell that it is now the same color as the bathroom. It's definitely bright, and that